the R sound. Don't get stressed. You need a little bit of practice. First, I know that you have here you need to blow some air. That's true, but it's not as much like you are trying to blow a candle. It's more like when you are tired. Okay? Your tongue needs to be relaxed. Don't get it tight like it's more like Where to place it? Think about the letter N. Nothing. Never. Can you see where the tip of your tongue is? It's not touching your teeth, it's a little bit farther back. Let's try how to do it. We have the tongue placed like an N. But now I need a little bit of air. Don't let the tongue to move out of your mouth. Maintain it in the place. Now think when you were playing cars, when you were little, what kind of sound did you make? Or maybe you played to be a tiger. But it's easier if you try to make complete sentences like Quiero un perro rojo. Quiero un perro rojo.